Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Yongnuo Speedlite. This is the Yongnuo Speedlite YN560 4. This is my third Speedlite from them. So let's go ahead and get the box open. Little quality control sticker, the user manual, and here's the actual flash. This looks like this. So like I said, this is my third one that I have. These are great. I just got my Canon R6 and this syncs perfectly, and they have a built-in trigger system, so you don't need a trigger connected to them to use them. So that's why I really like them, and they connect perfectly with one another. And yeah, I highly recommend checking them out. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.